Why is nobody talking about the Ozo title, a prestigious honor bestowed on an individual in Igbo land? Particularly in eastern Nigeria, the title is reserved for men of exceptional character, wealth, and influence. Historically, the Ozo title was conferred upon individuals who had demonstrated remarkable achievements in various fields, such as trade, farming, or warfare. The title holders are expected to embody the values of wisdom, courage, and generosity. As an Ozo title holder, the individuals are entitled to certain privileges and responsibilities, which includes wearing distinctive clothing and adornments such as the uli designs, participating in important decision-making process in the community, providing guidance and counsel to family and community members, hosting and sponsoring important community events and ceremonies. The Ozo title remains an important part of Igbo culture and tradition, symbolizing excellence, leadership, and community service. Tell me in the comments if the Ozo title is still valued as it was during our ancestors' days.